I know, this is what's going to be kind of cool is to see this. This will be my first review. I'm reviewing the gray YXZ. First off, the reason why I can't hit the whoops is because I'd have to adjust your harnesses. Because that's like the biggest thing I've noticed. If your harnesses aren't adjusted, dude, you ride like shit. Bouncing around. Yours smells like mine used to. Bunch of oil. Alright. I gotta fix this though. I don't know how he drives the school bus. Just driving the school bus. Dude, this stock shifter's kind of nice. Alrighty. No temp gauge. Nice little pops. So it feels really good. This turbo, yeah, that turbo is nice. That thing spools right up. It's like a whole different machine. It doesn't come in with that big power up top, but like his suspension is definitely dialed. Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing's, the DLP kit is actually a pretty good kit. Got them backfires. Let's hit this little whoop section. I don't have my harness dialed in. Oh God. Yeah, she's f***ing. Yeah, she feels really good. Feels like a short course car. Alright, we'll give her a cool down. Yeah, this thing feels really good. TK's done a great job with this. Between that suspension, if I had these harnesses dialed in, or this thing, it definitely eats these whoops. Yeah, dude, this suspension is actually... Dude, this suspension, if I had these tight, do you hear me falling off the gas pedal? Yeah. Dude, This thing fucking eats.
When you're coming down and hitting these warp sections, literally the front end comes off the ground. You can feel it.
Yeah, that's the best part about your suspension is the front end feels light. And it feels like the rear end isn't bucking. It
feels good.
Dude, this is fucking sick.